In this video we will make this bridge. The concentration is on the arched shapes, how to tilt them and how to make an inverted arch. Open a new adaptive type family template. At the reference level place 3 points, make them adaptive and join them with a spline and make the line a reference line by checking inside the box is reference line. Anywhere at the line place a point and set a vertical plane at the point. Place a rectangle at the plane and make it a ref line. Align the lower side of the rectangle to the point and lock. Place aligned dimensions between the point and the sides as shown. Create a dimension parameter for the half width of the rectangle. In the same way, place an aligned dimension between the point and the upper horizontal side and create a dimension parameter for the depth of the rectangle. Place 2 rectangles at the plane and align the sides with the sides of the outer rectangle and lock. Also place aligned dimensions between the horizontal sides of the outer and inner rectangles. Create a new parameter for the distance. This will be the thickness of the flange of the eye section. Create a new width parameter for the inner rectangle. In the family type box write W2 is equal to W1 minus thickness. Make it thickness divided by 2 if you want. Hide the adaptive point 1 for a while and select the point and all the geometry along with the dimensions and copy and paste at the screen 2 more times. Select each point and pick new host and place at the line again. Change the normalized curve parameter value of each point to either 0 or 1 to place them at their respective endpoints of the line. And place the middle one at the center by making its NCP value equal to 0.5. Hold the dimension lines and hide them. Hold all the 3 rectangles and the line and create a form. Hold the form and hide it. Hold all the small rectangles on one side along with the line and create a form. Similarly, create the form for the small rectangles on the other side. Make the smaller rectangular bars as voids. If the void does not cut the outer form automatically, then use the cut void tool to cut them. Hold the eye section and create a new material parameter. This is the I-section family that is going to be loaded into the next file, which is an adaptive family. Create a new family adaptive type. At the ref level, place 2 points and make them adaptive and join with a reference line. Set a plane at the line and place an aligned dimension between the two adaptive points. Hold the dimension and create a new parameter. Make it an instance parameter and make it reporting. A reporting parameter will give us the new length of the line between the 2 points as this family is loaded into the other family. Place a point at the midpoint of the line. Set a horizontal plane at the point and place another point over it. Hold the point and assign an offset parameter to it. Write offset is equal to REP divided by 10. If the point is going downwards, then create a new parameter and write it equal to the minus offset and assign it to the point. So the point is upwards now. To increase the height, decrease the denominator as required. Place 1 point on either sides of the point. Hold 1 point and create a normalized curve parameter. Assign the same NCP to the other point but change the measure from value to end. Hold the 3 points and join with a spline. Checkbox is reference line. In the same way at the curve, place a point on the either sides of the midpoint and create a new NCP and assign it to the other with measure from value as end. Join the 2 points at the line with a reference line and hold the curve and the line and create a form. Go back and load the I-section file into this file. Place the component at the 3 points as shown. Go back and in the I-section file make all the parameters instance parameters and reload into this file and overwrite file. Create new associate parameters for the parameters of the I-section file. Write parameters in terms of the REP so they automatically change when the REP changes. Make both the NCP values equal to 0. Hold the surface and divide surface. Make U grid number value equal to 1. Create a parameter for V grid number. Hold the divided surface and turn on the nodes. Create a new family adaptive type. At the reference level, place 2 points and make them adaptive and join them with a reference line. Place a point and set a vertical plane and place a circle at it. Hold the circle and checkbox is reference line. Create a new radius parameter. Copy the point, the circle with the dimensions and copy and paste at the screen. Hold the point and pick new host and place at the line again. Hold each point and change its NCP value to either 0 or 1 so that they come to lie at their respective ends. Hold the two circles along with the line and create a form. This is a 2-point bar family. Create a material parameter and load the file into the main adaptive file that was created before this file. Hide the I section and place the component at the two adaptive points. Create the associate parameter for the radius of the 2-point bar. Create a new file conceptual mass type. At the level 1, place 2 ref planes on either sides of the central plane and place an aligned dimension between the 3 planes and press equal. Place an aligned dimension between the new planes and create a new parameter. Similarly, place planes in the other direction and make them at equal distance from the central plane. Create a new parameter for the width. Place more planes on the either sides and make the equidistant from the central plane and create a new parameter. At the level 1, place points at the intersections of the planes and align them to their respective planes and lock. Similarly, lock all the points to the horizontal planes as well. Right middle distance is equal to big distance divided by 2. Go back to the main file and hold the point and assign a new rotation parameter. Create a new associate parameter for the material of the eye section. Load the file into the mass file. Place the component at the points as shown. For the middle component, place it in the opposite direction. Hold the middle component and flip it. Hold the components and change their rotation angle. Similarly, place the components at the other points. Load the 2-point bar family into the mass file and hide the eye section and place the bars on the vertical lines as shown. Change the rotation angles of the components as required. Please like, share and subscribe.